Hi guys, Varun here from Fonearena, and I'm going to be unboxing the Philips Hue lighting system today. It's a pretty cool way of controlling the lights in your home or office or anywhere for that matter. So this is the box in which it comes in. It's currently on sale in India for 16,985 rupees, and the package offers a lot of content. So let's actually go ahead and take a look at what the Philips Hue package comes with and what can you do with it. So as you can see, you can actually change the lights in the bulb which comes in the front of the box. Pretty cool way of actually telling you how the bulb works without even having to open the box. So let's actually open it up. As you can see, you have the bulbs inside, and you have the bridge here which will be used to control the bulbs. And as you can see, you have the instructions here too. On the left it says screw in the bulbs, turn on the wall light switches. You have to plug in the bridge and connect it to a wireless router, and then you have to download the app. So the app comes for both Android and iOS. So let's actually open it up. So as you can see, you have three Philips Hue bulbs here. These are LED bulbs, 8.5 watt, and works across 220 to 240 volts. And this is the bulb. You get a set of three bulbs in the box itself, and you get the bridge also here. So the bridge is a basic control unit for the bulbs itself, considering it connects to your Wi-Fi network and lets you use the app to control the bulbs. So you have the switch here. So we'll show that to you in a second. You also get the warranty and user manuals here, and you also get something else here. You get a LAN cable here. So you have to actually connect the switch to your router using this wire. So that's what you got to do. And you also have the power adapter for powering up the bridge. So that's something you got to also plug in here. We'll show that to you once it's powered up. So you get three bulbs here. As you can see, these are LED bulbs, and it's rated at 8.5 watt. It goes all the way from 2000 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin, which is daylight in terms of brightness. And it's a screw type mount, as you can see here. Whereas you might have fittings which are both screw type mounts as well as pin type mounts. In case you are using a pin type mount like this, you can get converters pretty easily at electrical shops in India for 10, 20 or 50 rupees, and screw the Philips Hue bulb into it, and you can actually use it in an existing fitting. There is no change of fitting required in order to use the Philips Hue. So that's the cool part about it. In case you have a fitting which already has a screw type of mount, you don't even have to bother about getting a converter. You can plug it right in. So as you can see here we have the bridge. The Philips Hue uses the Zigbee protocol in order to connect to the bulbs. It's a wireless communication protocol. So as you can see, you have even a hanging slot in case you want to hang the bridge somewhere convenient, and you have the DC in port in order to connect the power supply, and also you have the LAN port here for connecting it to the internet or your router. So let's actually power the bridge up, and also let's connect the LAN cable here. As you can see, you have the light indicator for the power, for the LAN connectivity and for the internet connectivity, and you actually tap on this in order to pair it with the app on the iPhone or an Android phone in order to control the bulbs using the bridge. So as I told you before, the Philips Hue app is available both on Android and iOS. As you can see here on the left, I have the OnePlus 2 open here, and also I have the iPhone 6 Plus on the right with the App Store. As you can see, there's also an Apple Watch app available for the Philips Hue, which is kind of cool because you can actually control the lighting from your wrist. We could probably show that to you in a different video, but yes, you get the idea. It's available both on Android and iOS, so I'm going to be installing it on my Android phone as well. So I've already installed it on the iPhone 6 Plus, so I'm going to be demoing it to you on the device, and Android works pretty much the same way as well. So here I have the iPhone app open here, and this is the push link screen. So basically I have the bridge connected to my network as well as it's powered on, and I have to authenticate that this Philips Hue bridge and the kit belongs to me. So physically nobody else can actually control the Philips Hue kit you have at your home or office. So this is actually a security feature. So I actually press it here, and you can see that it's going to ask me to connect the lights now. So you actually have two bulbs already powered on. So when you turn on the Philips Hue bulbs without being paired to a bridge, it would work like a normal LED bulb. In this case, it turns up in yellow color. So it seems like normal LED bulbs when it's powered on without being paired to a bridge. So you're going to be searching and we're going to be finding the bulbs connected to this bridge now. So we have been able to connect two LED Hue bulbs to our fittings here. We'll show you a demo later of all three connected and paired to the bridge. So as you see the two Hue lamps which are actually available in this office we have here. So this is Hue lamp 1 and Hue lamp 2. You can rename it to whatever you want, and these bulbs blink whenever you press on them to show you which ones they are by the name. So yeah, so that's the lights. So this is a basic setup. So once you're done with this, you can go into more interesting options in the app, and the only thing you need is to leave the bridge powered on and also the bulb is powered on. Let's actually go into the scenes, which is something really cool. You can see this is a sunset setting you have here. It changes everything to colors of orange and red and yellow. You have a pencil setting here, which is a pencil scene, basically multiple colors. As you can see, you can even edit the colors. You can see here it's a deep sea setting which has a tones of red and blue. So there's also a beautiful concentrate mode which I really like, gives you really bright light. Relax is a mode you might probably want to use in your bedroom, something when you are taking rest. So I'll be actually using a photo to create a new scene. So that's a cool feature in the app itself. Say I'm going to be picking this photo of Sony phones here. Pretty nice colors here, as you can see here. I'm going to be hitting use, and you can choose which bulbs you want to activate for the scene. I'm going to be selecting all the three. I'm going to be dragging them along. So you have yellow, you have red, and we have say brown, or like let's say the white one. So we have the three colors here, 1, 2, 3 for the three Hue bulbs here. Hit save. So it's pretty useful when you want to have the theme of a vacation or some party you had, and you want to use those colors for your bulbs. Pretty easy feature useful feature to do that. So you can also actually take a photo from within the camera in case you don't have a photo as well. That's also possible. There are also alarms and timers as well. You can probably choose the lights to go on to a different scene. Say it turns evening, you can change to a really cool color. When it turns morning, you can change to a very bright color. All this is actually possible in the app itself. So there are also more apps for you, as you can see here. It's not limited, the Hue functionality is not limited to the single Philips Hue official app alone, but it's also possible to control these bulbs from other apps. As you can see here, you have Hue lights, light bow, on switch, IFTTT. You can actually even make the bulbs glow in a separate color when you actually get a tweet or something, or a Twitter mention. Those are some cool features which you can do. So there's also a login to my Hue feature. Basically you can access your lights from outside your network. So it's connected to the internet. So you can actually create a Philips Hue account on meethue.com, and once you created an account, you can actually log in and remotely control your lights, turn them on. Imagine changing the colors at your home when you're not at home, or giving an impression that you're at home when you're not actually there. And that's something really cool which you can actually do with Philips Hue. This is possible via the login to my Hue feature. So that's it, guys. So that was unboxing of the Philips Hue lighting system, which is available in India now, and even the bulbs are available in India, which is pretty cool in case you want to actually add more bulbs. The actual base kit is priced at 16,985 rupees and available on Snapdeal, and I think the additional bulbs are priced at about 3,999 each. So let us know in the comments as to what you think about this whole idea of connected personal wireless lighting. In case you have any questions, do ask us in the comments below and we'll try to answer it, and see you guys in the next video.